Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fight those aging and stay young, look young and be young, literally. Now this drink is actually going to strengthen you, increase level of your collagen on your skin, and it's also going to remove some amount of aging and fine lines and as well as wrinkle. Now when you take it inside, it does the work outside, literally. So that's it. Are you eager to see what this drink is about, just like I am eager to show you? Okay guys, so let's dive into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Okay, let's go. For an amazing transformation of skin and of body guys, you're gonna be needing grapes. Okay, so I have here my grapes. Now you can actually use grapes or you use any berry of your choice. It's literally just great. Okay, so I'm gonna be using grapes, and going to be removing it from its stick and then putting it into the water so that I can actually wash and sanitize. So here I have some of my grapes, and I'm going to be getting a blender and then we're going to blend it. So I'm going to be adding just a little bit of clean water to this. So after that, I'm going to be sieving it out. Now, when you sieve this out, you're going to observe that the only thing that is going to be left is the skin of the grapes. Okay, so here I have my grape, really beautiful. Okay, so for an aging skin and for you to look young and beautiful, you're equally going to be needing cucumber. Okay, now cucumber contains a whole lot of nutrients and it helps the skin glow. Okay, so when you take cucumber from the inside, it also helps for weight loss. So bear in mind that when you drink this, you're equally going to be reducing some amount of weight, okay, when you actually take this. Okay, so after that, we're going to cut it. And then we're going to be transferring it into the blender. So that my blender can actually blend it. So I'm going to be putting just a few and then put a little bit of water to enable the blending process. Blend really smooth. Okay, so we're going to blend. Okay guys, so you can actually blend all of your ingredients together. I just love to blend all of my ingredients one after the other so that it can be well detailed and you can actually see all the ingredients that I'm blending and sieving. So this is our cucumber and we're going to be sieving the juice out. Alright guys, so this is the beautiful watermelon juice. And we're equally going to be needing garlic for this. To get that younger glowing look, you would have to be needing a little bit of garlic. So we're going to be taking some garlic. So we're going to be peeling it all off, and you're going to be taking as much garlic as you can get, because garlic actually helps up for the skin and equally the body. It helps to fight disease and it helps to, you know, increase the collagen level in your body, therefore making your skin pop up, get brighter, and you know, get renewed. Okay, so we're gonna be putting the garlic in here. We're gonna be putting in just a little bit of water in here also. So we're equally going to be needing apple. Now apple has a whole lot of benefits that helps the skin glow. Okay, so when you take apple from the inside, it helps your skin glow from the outside. Okay, so for an anti-aging and a younger skin, apple will be required for this. And since I'm just making this for just 1 glass cup, I'm actually going to be taking my leftover apple. Yeah, so I just need just a little of the apple. Wash it because I love to sanitize my fruits and ingredients, and then I'm gonna cut it. Okay guys, so now I would have to be blending the apple and the garlic together. Okay, since the garlic is actually a little small, I wouldn't want to blend that just alone. Okay, so blending this one by one is completely optional. So you can actually, you know, just put all of this and blend together. Okay, but because I would want it to be more detailed, and then, you know, show you all of the ingredients one after another, and that's why I have to blend it together. Okay, this is really amazing for an anti-aging skin. Okay, so we're gonna be needing one more ingredient, but before that, this is my beautiful ingredients, and I'm gonna be turning them in. Okay, so we are also going to be making use of honey for this. Okay, honey helps so much for the skin and also for the body to sweeten the taste and equally to, you know, make this ingredient work really better. Now when you're using honey, guys, you have to make sure you use an organic honey. Okay, since it's just 1 cup, I'm actually not going to be using too much of the honey because I don't want it to be too sweet. Okay, now for you to know that your honey is good, it has to settle, and when it settles, immediately you turn, well, it's gonna be like this. So we're gonna give a little time and stir the honey so that the honey could be dissolved. Okay guys, so this is it. Drink this to stay young, drink this to get a baby skin, drink this to stay glowing, and drink this to have a more youthful and a radiant skin. So let me have a taste. I can't wait. This is really healthy for a morning goal. This is yummy, guys. In the morning you can actually take this, okay, and for an healthy skin, for a baby skin, in the evening you can equally take this, and it's gonna be really healthy, really helpful, and your skin is gonna be delicious. Like, your skin is gonna be super delicious. Okay, so that's it, guys. Look young using or drinking this natural, very delicious drink. Okay, it's actually going to help you a whole lot. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that bell. Okay, the bell is where? It's here. Yeah, turn it on, okay, and click all so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you again. Bye guys.